Hello everyone, I am going to discuss about how to measure amplitude of accommodation using push-up method. So let's begin. So for this test we need a trial frame, a near vision chart and a scale. Now we will ask the patient to put the trial frame. Please put the trial frame. This is a monocular test, like we have to perform it monocularly first and then we have to perform it binocularly. So we will occlude one eye. Let's first test for the right eye. And we will hold the near vision chart in a distance of 40 centimeter from her eyes, okay, in a comfortable reading distance, which is 40 centimeter we will consider. So we will ask the patient to look at the N6 letter. For her, this is her best, her visual acuity is N6, she is emmetropic, okay. So I will give her the best visual acuity, best corrected visual acuity which will be N6, okay, or you can give one line better than her best corrected visual acuity also. Please look at this one, the second last line. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay, so now we will move this chart towards her eyes. She has to constantly focus on the N8 letters, okay. You have to constantly focus on this N8 letters, and I will move this towards your face. You have to report me when it first sustain blur. When you will see blur, you have to report me that you were seeing blur, okay. So let's hold the scale so that we can find out the distance. This from the eye level we will hold this like this. From the eye level we will hold the scale like this, okay. So now please move the chart towards your eyes gradually and report me when you see blur.
Now it's blur.
Now it's blur?
Yeah.
Okay, can you please blink once?
Yeah.
Is it still blur?
Yes.
Okay, so she says when it's in the 10 centimeter, see, she is blurred. So the reciprocal of the distance is the amount of amplitude of accommodation. So reciprocal of the distance will be 1 by 10, but we will convert the 1 meter into 100 centimeter. So we will do 100 centimeter by 10, and which will be 10. So 10 diopter will be her amplitude of accommodation. So we will do the same procedure for her left eye as well. Again we will ask the patient to hold the near vision chart and at 40 centimeter, okay, and we will perform the same test once again, okay, and again after that we will do this for both of our eyes. Binocularly we will do it. We will repeat this test again and we will note down the amplitude of accommodation. So students, I am just trying to give you a brief idea about how amplitude of accommodation is measured using push-up test. I hope it helps.